Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to invite students to your class using the email invitation and what it looks like on their end. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, click Classroom from the top banner and click Classes from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your classroom page where you can see the list of all the classes you have created. Click the title of the class you'd like to invite students to. If you do not have any students in your class, the site will bring you automatically to the Students tab. If you click your class and you land on this page, click Students right next to Lesson Planner to begin inviting students. On the left are the options for how you can add students to the class. For this video, we'll be inviting students via email. Once you've clicked Invite via email, enter your student's first and last name and their email address. Once all that looks good, click the blue Send Invitation button at the bottom. A notification will appear at the bottom of the screen letting you know you have successfully sent the invitation. On your student's end, they'll log into their email and look for the Ellii invitation. If they have any issues finding it, ask them to check in their spam or junk folder. Once opened, they can click the blue Join Now button to continue joining your class. Your students will land on the student site where they can click I'm new to create an account or click Log In if they have an existing Ellii account from a previous term or teacher. We also have a help doc and video on the site that can be sent to students that walks them through how to sign up as a student via email. To find this, click the arrow next to your name and click Help from the drop-down menu. From here, click Student Accounts and find how to sign up as a student via email. At the top, there's a video from the student's point of view as well as written instructions. This can be shared by copying the link from your browser and sharing it however you communicate with your students. Once your student has successfully created their account, you'll see their name on your students list in your class page. That's it for this video on how to invite students via email. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.